Mile marker 702.4. This is where I've been coming from. It's been treacherous this morning. By the way, it's Sunday, May 27th, 5:51 a.m. I left at 5:30. There's a sunrise up that way. Now to the left is drop off and you see mountains that way, but I'm behind a tree now. Standing on this. This is unreal. It's beautiful, but it has been quite nerve-wracking. And I am bruised and all kind of things. I'm not gonna go into it. I'm hurting. All right, more to come. 702.4. That's my headlamp light in the background. Treacherous this morning and last night. It's 5:56 a.m. Sunday morning. May 27th, I believe. This is my surroundings. And this is the Sunday morning sunrise between Dragon's Tooth and Mcafee's Knob, I think it's called. I gotta go down this way. There's the sunrise. I've worked hard for this, and I'm hurting. Town is down that way. I'm guessing that's Catawba, I'm not sure. Gotta do more rock climbing that way. Descending, well, it's just incredible. I think I'm gonna go up that. Here's this telling me to go that way, and I'll be going over on those rocks. Just looking to see if the sun I could get that timed right, but started at 5:30 this morning. .360 look. Man, I'm gonna do about 18 miles today. That way I have about 10 miles tomorrow to go into town. I know Mike dehydrated, and I tell you though, yesterday evening with the rain and the ledges, that was real ledges. That was frightening and tough. Come on, sunshine. I gotta keep going. 704.7. This came from the dark Drury Forest. Here, let me back up and get some of this. There we go. This is the house through there. And up that way's a mountain there. To my right, dark, dreary forest. And my glasses off some because it kept fogging up. Quite aware, watching for snakes. Easy walker like Sunday morning. It's about 7:26 a.m. I'm going to since about 5:30. Mainly because I had to get up early and redo my feet. They were soaked. I had to reluco. Among other things. Alrighty. Sit. I'm at 710.3 John Spring Shelter. There's actually a Catawba shelter another mile up, but there's a chance there's not water here and a chance there's not water at the next one. That's the last. I like to, even though I have to carry a little extra, I like to get water the second to the last place, just in case I don't like to chance it, not with water. I'll probably get about 6 cups of water. I'm treating one more that I did earlier. I want to get about 18 miles a day to whatever shelter. I forgot the name. Here's, I think Mcafee's Knob is what we're about 3 miles away from. Just to give you an idea what it looks like. It's pretty well kept. It's a newer shelter. Buddy, I needed a rest. All right, now I'm just sitting here at this, there's water that way, so I'll be checking that out. I can't talk. I'm gonna purify my water here and then head down there and see if I can get some more water. Very beautiful area, but great day. The boulders, some rock. I've been beaten up since, especially with the rain too, but yesterday Dragon Tooth was terrible. That's the worst descent I've seen and dealt with. It beat me up bad. I had 2 falls. I'm just blessed that I didn't fall in a dead zone, because there are some places you could have died. When they said ledges on it, they meant ledges. It was ledges. So I'm fighting to get that 18 in so I can be 10 or less tomorrow. It does a lot for you mentally if you can get that. Ideally, like 8 or less, but I can't. I mean, there's no good spots around here because there's so much bear activity from Mcabee's Knob on down on the other side till it's may not be a good idea. So they got a couple of places that has bear boxes. So that's it for right now. Sunday, May 27th, 10:45 a.m. Later. Here I am, close to 1:15, and right at the top of Mcafee's Knob. Well, you know it, thunder and lightning. So I'm going to do this quick. And I just went ahead and turned on the phone so that, because once it gets wet or moisture, it just completely stops. So I'm going to give this a shot. Some other crazy people like me.
Yes, we are.
I know, oh gosh. I gotta, because I only get up here once, I'm walking through, so I gotta, oh, you're getting that great picture. I take a video of them so that I know what it looks like. Imagine that me up there. I'm telling all my dozens of fans.
On Facebook. Are you on Snapchat?
No, I'm on Facebook. Oh my goodness. Alright, I gotta do this quick and get out. Look at that.
Did you do the different settings?
This is not the place to be. So beautiful, but I gotta go. You're a lot closer than I would be, I tell you that.
We skydived a few times.
Mcafee's Knob.
Although there's no parachute in this bag right now.
Pretend that's me right there. Oh, look how, oh my, I got that on video. I'm glad it's over there. Oh my goodness. Well, we can't stay here long, folks. This hike's not worth my life. Famous Mcafee Knob. When you know it, it waits till I get up here. So I gotta get back below this. Oh my. What is wrong with you people up here like this? I thought I was the only crazy one out here. All right. And you're going to do another one? Boy, y'all nuts. Y'all have a good one.
You as well.
Thank you. Beautiful. Oh, I wished I'd gotten up here earlier, of course. Mcafee's Knob. I got about 7 miles to go to shelter. There's supposed to be a deluge come on. It's heavy rain, so what's different? I'll be wet when I go to the tent again. When I get down a little lower from the lightning here, that's the overlook. And this is back on the AT. Oh, I dreamed of getting up there, and Mike's not with me. Shoot, of course, you know, I don't know when we'd have gotten up here, but it'd been nice to have pictures of us getting pictures of one another up here. Oh. So I got a spring or something coming up less than a mile. I got to get water. It'll be my last one for 7 miles. So I have to get a couple bottles or so Then where I stay, of course, I have water. So I can't pass it up. Famous Mcafee's knob. You guys not familiar with it, just look it up. Awesome pictures from there, especially from hikers. But I was here. And hopefully I can get the main too. Oh, what a camping spot. See if I can get something here. Oh man. This is nice too. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like that's coming in. The lightning was coming before it. Yeah, I'm gonna get soaked. It's pretty here too. Mile 718.2, Tinker Cliffs. About a mile and a half from my shelter. I'm gonna camp. Beautiful.